everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about today's video. I'm doing one of my favorite things in the world aside from DIY and crafting, and that's nails. Yes, I've done a few nail tutorials on my channel. Well, maybe not a few, but two on my channel here before. So it's been a while, so I'm super excited to share this tutorial with y'all. Thank you for coming back to my channel. If you're a subscriber, if you're new here, welcome. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to come watch my video. So before we get into this tutorial, I just want to mention that this video is in collaboration with a few of my friends here over on YouTube. A special thanks to Tiffany from All Things Tiffany for inviting me on this collaboration. It is the All Things YouTube collaboration. So each of us ladies are going to be making a video in a different niche on YouTube. So definitely check out those ladies down below. I will link their channels down below. Check them out. Check out their channels and see what they created. So without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna get right into what you'll need for this tutorial. So I picked up this press-on nail kit from Walmart for about $5. It is the Tips&Toes line from Salon Perfect. It comes with a set of 24 nails and a nail polish in the same color. So I'm assuming it's so that your nails and toes can match. So I also use some Swarovski crystals that I got from Walmart. I have a nail art sealer and some super glue, and just a few of the other products that I used are here. I have some body scrub, a body lotion, some rubbing alcohol and nail polish remover, a bowl, top coat and cuticle oil. I also have a nail file and a cuticle pusher, some cotton swabs, Q-tips, paper towel, and a rag, just all the things that you'll need to do a manicure. So the first thing I'm going to do is clean up my nails and remove any dirt and any nail polish that is still on my nails. To start with a clean surface, and then once I've done that, I'm just going to file the size of my nails. Anytime I do press on nails, I like to file in the size of my nails so that they fit underneath the artificial nail better. And then once I've filed the size of my nails, I'm going to go in with my nail file and just clip off any hangnails that may be lingering around. And then I'm going to go back in with my nail file and just buff the surface of my nails. And throughout this video, look out for a few tips and tricks and hacks that I have for you guys, just as far as nails go. Just some things that, you know, can make the process easier, using things that you most likely have at home. So once I've buffed my nails, I'm going to go ahead and soak them for about 7 to 10 minutes just to soften my cuticles. And then once I've done that, I'm going to take this body scrub and I'm going to rub it over my hands and really focus on my cuticles just to kind of loosen up some of that dead skin. So as you see here, I'm just really massaging the body scrub into my cuticles, and then once I've done that, once I'm satisfied, I'm just going to go back and soak my hands and rinse them. Okay, and once my hands are all clean and I've gotten all the body scrub off, I'm just going to go in and push back and clean up my cuticles. And then I'll go in for an additional 5 minutes and just soak off whatever came up from me cleaning my cuticles. So now moving on to the nails. So I'm just removing the contents of the package, and I'm going to choose the correct sizes for each of my natural nails. You are choosing the artificial nail for your natural nail, just make sure that it sort of fits inside the cuticle and that you don't have the artificial nail overlapping your natural nail. Okay, so my nail hack number 2 is going to be this little contraption here that I made to help me pre-design accent nails or press-on nails. So all I'm doing is taking a clothespin and some double-sided tape, and I'm going to stick the accent nails on either side of the clothespin. So I'm going to be doing the pointer nail and also the ring fingernail. And this is just going to make it really easy for me to design my nails as opposed to trying to design them on my hand, which might be a little more difficult. Then the third tip that I have for you guys is since I'm putting on rhinestones, I would normally use a tweezer, but I couldn't find my tweezers. So another thing you can do if you don't have any tweezers is you can use a wet Q-tip to pick up your rhinestones. So as you see I'm doing here, I'm just going to take my top coat and put it over the whole nail, and then I'm going to take my wet Q-tip and start to place the rhinestones where I'd like them. Okay, so now moving on to gluing on the remaining nails that I did not put designs on. So the only thing I'll say when gluing the nails on is to just put a drop of glue on your natural nail and a drop on the artificial nail. This is going to really help with air bubbles and also just with how long the nails stay on. So I go with my Dollar Tree super glue that is also for nails, so you can safely use it on your nails. This glue will definitely make the nails last for at least a week. So another tip that I have is to, when you are applying the artificial nails, start at the cuticle like you see me doing here, and then slowly just press it down. This is also going to help with air bubbles and again with just how long your nails will stay on. So once the accent nails are dried, I'm going to go in and glue those on as well. Okay, so at the last minute, I decided to add a little more accent to my nails. So I also use these nail polish appliques. So they're like nail polish stickers. So this is just a set that I had left over from one that I did a while back. So I'm just gonna take the glitter accent and put it on each of my middle fingers, just to give the nails a little more pop. So all I did was just remove the sticker from the plastic that it comes on, and since it is a stiletto nail, I'm going to sort of apply it in a point, if that makes sense. Hopefully you can see it here. My lighting wasn't that great. And then once I got it shaped to the nail, I'm just going to take my nail filer and file down. Now, if you have a really good nail filer, it should just come off within a few files like you see here, and you should be able to at some point just peel it off with your hands. And then once you get it completely off, as you see here, I'm just going to clean up the sides, and any excess that is left over, I'm just going to file that off. So no manicure is complete without the top coat. So I'm using this Sally Hansen's Extreme Wear top coat. So I'm gonna just apply it to each of the nails, and this actually was a good top coat. I only needed one coat, and the shine stayed for a good while. And the next thing is my cuticle oil. I also picked this one up at Walmart. I really like it. It has a nice rose smell, and the bottle looks really pretty too. And that's it, y'all. That is the finished look to my salon nails at home. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Until next time.